You've already seen some of the most viral kitchen gadgets that people are buying right now, but trust me, we're not done yet. Because after digging deeper into trending products on Entity, Company, Amazon, e-commerce company, and analyzing what's actually blowing up on YouTube in 2026, I found another list of gadgets that people in the USA are obsessing over right now. And this time, things get even more interesting. Some of these gadgets are designed for speed, some for convenience, and a few are just so smart that once you use them, you can't go back to the old way of doing things. But here's the catch. Not every viral product is worth your money. That's why I tested these gadgets, to see which ones actually deliver in real life. In this video, I'll show you 10 more viral kitchen gadgets that everyone is buying in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which ones are worth it. Make sure you watch till number 1, because that product might completely change how you cook every day. Let's start with number 10. Ninja Blast Portable Blender. In today's fast-paced lifestyle, especially in the United States, convenience is everything. People want tools that can keep up with their daily routines, and that's exactly why the Ninja Blast Portable Blender model BC151 has become one of the most viral kitchen gadgets of 2026. Unlike traditional blenders that are bulky and require a fixed setup, this compact device is completely cordless and rechargeable. That means you can make smoothies, protein shakes, or fresh juices anywhere, whether you're at the gym, in your car, at work, or even traveling. What makes this blender stand out is its powerful motor combined with sharp stainless steel blades that can crush ice and frozen fruits with ease. Despite its small size, it delivers surprisingly smooth results, which is why it's trending heavily on YouTube. Another major advantage is its portability. The design includes a leak-proof lid and a convenient carry handle, making it easy to take with you wherever you go. Cleaning is also incredibly simple. You just add water and a drop of soap, blend for a few seconds, and it cleans itself. This gadget perfectly fits the modern lifestyle where people want quick, healthy options without spending too much time in the kitchen. Once you start using it, you realize how much easier it becomes to stay consistent with healthy habits. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Breakfast is one of the most important meals of the day, but many people skip it because they don't have enough time. The Dash Mini Waffle Maker model DMW001 is designed to solve that problem in the simplest way possible. This compact device allows you to make perfectly cooked waffles in just a few minutes without any complicated setup. What makes this gadget so popular in 2026 is its simplicity and versatility. You just plug it in, wait for it to heat up, pour the batter, and within minutes, you have a golden, crispy waffle ready to eat. But it's not just limited to waffles. Many viral videos show people using it to make hash browns, mini pizzas, desserts, and even creative breakfast sandwiches. This is one of the reasons why it has become a favorite among content creators. Another major advantage is its compact size, which makes it perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or apartments. It doesn't take up much space and is easy to store. Cleaning is also quick because of the non-stick surface. What impressed me the most is how consistent the results are. Every waffle comes out evenly cooked, which makes it feel like a professional tool. Despite its small size, it's affordable, easy to use, and surprisingly versatile, making it one of the most searched kitchen gadgets right now. Zulay Kitchen Lemon Squeezer. Fresh juice has become a major trend, especially among health-conscious people in the USA. However, squeezing lemons manually can be messy and inefficient. The Zulay Kitchen Lemon Squeezer heavy-duty model is designed to make this process fast, clean, and effortless. This handheld press uses a simple lever mechanism that allows you to extract maximum juice with minimal effort. What makes it stand out is its strong metal construction, which ensures durability and long-term use. Unlike cheap plastic squeezers, this one doesn't bend or break under pressure. Another advantage is efficiency. It extracts almost all the juice from the fruit while keeping seeds out, which saves time and reduces waste. This is one of the reasons why it has become extremely popular in viral cooking videos. People love tools that deliver clean results without making a mess. The design is also easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Whether you're making lemonade, adding flavor to recipes, or preparing healthy drinks, this gadget makes the process much easier. Once you start using it, squeezing lemons by hand feels outdated and inefficient. KitchenAid Cordless Hand Mixer. Traditional hand mixers are useful, but the biggest limitation has always been the cord. It restricts movement, creates clutter on your countertop, and sometimes even limits where you can use it. That's exactly why the KitchenAid Cordless Hand Mixer model KHMB 732 has become one of the most talked about kitchen gadgets in 2026. This device runs on a rechargeable battery, giving you complete freedom to mix anywhere without worrying about plugs or wires. What makes it truly stand out is that it doesn't compromise on power. Despite being cordless, it delivers strong and consistent mixing performance, making it perfect for whipping cream, mixing batter, or preparing dough. The lightweight design makes it comfortable to hold, even during longer mixing sessions. Another major advantage is convenience. You can move around your kitchen freely and even use it in places where power outlets are not easily accessible. This is why it has gained popularity among modern kitchens in the USA, where clean, minimal setups are trending. Viral videos highlight its flexibility and sleek design, but in real life, the biggest benefit is how smooth and clutter-free the experience becomes. Once you switch to cordless, going back to traditional mixers feels restrictive. It's a modern upgrade that fits perfectly into today's fast and efficient lifestyle. OTOTO Nessie Soup Ladle. Not every kitchen gadget is about speed or efficiency. Sometimes, it's about making your kitchen experience more enjoyable. The OTOTO Nessie Soup Ladle is a perfect example of that. This uniquely designed ladle looks like a small dinosaur, and while it may seem like just a fun novelty item at first, it actually serves a practical purpose. The design allows it to stand upright in your pot, making it easier to access while cooking. What makes this gadget go viral is its visual appeal. People love creative and aesthetic kitchen tools, especially when they can make cooking feel less like a chore and more like an experience. It's particularly popular among content creators who enjoy adding personality to their kitchen setup. But beyond its design, it's also functional. It's made from durable, heat-resistant material and works just like a standard ladle for serving soups, sauces, and stews. Another advantage is how it adds character to your kitchen. Small details like this can make a big difference in how you feel while cooking. In 2026, kitchen gadgets are not just about functionality. They're also about style and creativity. This product perfectly represents that trend. It's simple, fun, and surprisingly practical, making it one of the most talked about viral gadgets right now. COSORI Electric Gooseneck Kettle. Coffee culture in the United States has grown massively, and with that, the demand for precision tools has increased. The COSORI Electric Gooseneck Kettle Model CO108 and K is designed specifically for people who want complete control over their brewing process. What makes this kettle different from regular ones is its gooseneck spout, which allows for precise pouring. This is essential for methods like pour-over coffee, where water flow directly affects the taste. Another major feature is temperature control. Instead of just boiling water, this kettle lets you select specific temperatures, which is crucial for different types of coffee and tea. This is one of the main reasons why it's trending among coffee lovers. The design is sleek, modern, and fits perfectly into aesthetic kitchen setups. What impressed me the most is how it improves the overall brewing experience. It turns a simple task into something more controlled and enjoyable. Viral videos often highlight the smooth pouring action and clean design, but in real life, the biggest benefit is consistency. You get better tasting coffee every time. If you're serious about your morning routine, this gadget can make a noticeable difference. Presto PopLite Hot Air Popcorn Popper. Snacking is a big part of daily life, especially in the USA, but many snacks come with unhealthy ingredients. The Presto PopLite Hot Air Popcorn Popper Model 04820 offers a healthier alternative without sacrificing taste. This gadget uses hot air instead of oil to pop popcorn, making it a low-calorie option for movie nights or quick snacks. What makes it stand out is speed and simplicity. You just add popcorn kernels, turn it on, and within minutes, you have fresh popcorn ready to eat. There's no need for oil, butter, or complicated preparation. This is why it has become extremely popular in viral content. People love the idea of making fresh snacks quickly and easily. Another advantage is cleanliness. Since there's no oil involved, cleanup is much easier compared to traditional methods. The compact design also makes it easy to store. What impressed me the most is how consistently it works. Almost all kernels pop efficiently, reducing waste. Once you start using it, microwave popcorn feels less appealing. It's a simple gadget, but it promotes a healthier lifestyle while still being convenient. Chef-in FreshForce Garlic Press. Garlic is one of the most commonly used ingredients in cooking, but preparing it can be annoying and time-consuming. Peeling and crushing garlic manually often leaves your hands smelling and requires extra effort. The Chef-in FreshForce Garlic Press Model 102,159,017 is designed to solve that problem completely. This gadget uses a dual-gear mechanism that increases pressing power, allowing you to crush garlic with minimal effort. What makes it stand out is efficiency. You don't even need to peel the garlic completely before using it, which saves time. The design ensures maximum extraction, meaning you get more garlic with less waste. This is one of the reasons why it has become so popular in viral cooking videos. People love tools that simplify small but frequent tasks. Another advantage is cleanliness. It's easy to rinse and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick. What impressed me the most is how smooth the process feels. Instead of struggling with a knife, you get perfectly crushed garlic instantly. It's a small gadget, but it makes a big difference in daily cooking. Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage. Food storage might not seem exciting, but it plays a huge role in kitchen organization and efficiency. The Rubbermaid Brilliance Food Storage Containers set has become extremely popular because it solves multiple problems at once. These containers are designed to be completely leak-proof, meaning you can store liquids without worrying about spills. This makes them perfect for meal prep, which is a major trend in the USA right now. Another advantage is clarity. The containers are crystal clear, allowing you to see what's inside without opening them. This helps reduce food waste because you always know what you have stored. They are also stackable, which saves space in your fridge and cabinets. What makes this product go viral is how satisfying it looks in organized kitchen setups. Clean, neatly arranged containers create a visually appealing space. Beyond aesthetics, they are also practical. They are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and durable enough for daily use. Once you start using them, traditional containers feel messy and unreliable. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference in maintaining an organized kitchen. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure. We've reached number 1, and this gadget is easily one of the most popular kitchen appliances in the United States. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker Model Duo 60 is not just a single-purpose device. It replaces multiple appliances in one. It functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and warmer. What makes it so powerful is how much time it saves. Meals that normally take hours can be prepared in a fraction of the time using pressure cooking. This is why it has become a favorite for busy households. Another major advantage is convenience. You simply add your ingredients, select a preset, and let the device handle everything. The digital interface makes it easy to use, even for beginners. Viral cooking content has played a huge role in its popularity because people love seeing how quickly meals can be prepared. What impressed me the most is versatility. From soups and rice to meat and desserts, it handles almost everything. Once you start using it, you realize how much easier cooking can be with the right tools. It's not just a gadget, it's a complete kitchen upgrade.